What's going on YouTube? Your boy Nacho Chopper back with another video, and today I'm be going over, you seen the last video, you seen the likes. Now I'm going over 5 more dislikes I hate about this car, bro. I know. You seen the other videos, I had 5 dislikes, and this is 5 more dislikes. I know. Why not just get the car up? Don't worry, bro, it ain't that bad. Stay tuned, watch this. Alright, I guess the first dislike I had to say had to be, you feel me, this material, you feel me, like, it's like the, you feel me, the fake wood grain, you know? It don't even look like wood, you feel me, like just like a, like just brown, like, I don't know. Let me know, guys, you feel me, if you want me to do a video wrapping this brown. It's supposed to be wood grain, but I don't really like it, because you feel me, you can see every little smudge or fingerprint on the edge, you can see, you feel me, and I keep my car clean. So, and then you can see over here, you can see all the little dust particles, man. Come on. It's hard to try and keep this material clean. You're always gonna see stuff on it. So maybe if I could wrap that in, like, you feel me, like a mat or something else. But I mean, it's not really a big deal, guys. But you see, it could be a little better. It's, you know, that fake wood grain. I'm gonna cover that up. The second thing would have to be these leather seats, bro. You feel me? In the winter time, when it's, you know, below freezing, will your bad skin touch these leather seats? Oh boy, you gonna know it. Whoo, that's the only thing about these leather seats. And it's even worse in the summertime. Oh man, boy, 100-degree day. Ooh, trying to some bare skin, sizzle. But yeah, you feel me? The leather seats, you feel me? They cool, you feel me? So I got the heated and cool feature, but you know, just off the initial, you feel me, touch. Being cold, you're gonna freeze, and being hot, you're gonna burn. But would I rather have cloth seats? Nah, none of my cars have cloth seats. Nah, I ain't gonna start now. Number 3 would have to be, you feel me, like, I don't know, it's like the jerky transmission. It's like, I don't know if it's just like a hybrid thing, but I think my other Infiniti, my G37X, it kind of did it before. I mean, I guess it's just because it's such a strong transmission, you feel me? I guess it gets a little confused on which gear you want to be in, and then, you feel me, it jerks you a little bit. It ain't like it's misfiring or like the transmission slipping, nothing like that. It's just, I guess it's the transmission and the engine got so much power, it just having a hard time, you feel me, trying to figure out what you specifically trying to do as the driver. Because when I put it in manual mode and shift myself, it's smooth like butter. But just ride in normal mode, I guess maybe eco and, you know, stop and go traffic, and the car can get a little jerky, but it ain't too bad. That's just something slight that I do notice it did. Okay, 4th thing I would have to say, just like, you feel me, I guess since you know the rarity of this car, it's just hard finding parts, you feel me? Like, you can Google right now, type in Infiniti M35H, and let me know what pops up. You can type in performance, exterior, anything you want to type in. I guarantee you the M35H, you're going to very limited options. And any other Infiniti will pop up, the M37, the G's, the Q's. It's like the M's get no love, and especially the M hybrid, Infiniti's first hybrid, y'all get no love over here. But I mean, if you're not really looking in, you feel me, too much performance or anything, you can look up the M37. You feel me? If you're looking for just for like accessories, like exterior, just on looks for real, you can just look that up and you'll be good. That's pretty much what I did. But performance wise, very tough, guys, very tough. So the 5th and final thing I would have to say, I mean, I guess it's my fault, but ouch, it's this armrest leather, you feel me? I guess I be driving, you feel me, one hand on the wheel, elbow here, you feel me? So I can understand why I could do this. Like, I guess it's just this soft touch leather. I guess they could have, I don't know, put like a more harder leather right here. But yeah, if you like me, like the rest of your elbows, you feel me? That's the only one thing I don't like. What should I do about this, guys? Put some tape over, you get the whole thing refinished, or what? Let me know, guys. But I hate it, I really do. And then, you know, it's just gonna keep getting worse if I keep resting my elbow there. So yeah, alright, I guess this is a little extra one. I guess you could say the 6th thing, and you're pretty much looking at it. I do not like this beige, you feel me, headliner or anything, you feel me, just This is light, you feel me? You got this part black, everything else is black, you feel me? So why not just make the hairline black? I think it would look a whole lot better. Especially if I was to do the stars and, you feel me, the ceiling. I feel it would just look a whole lot better with the black. Like, the light color, you can see all the stains and all types of stuff. You know, mine is just, you feel me, still great condition. Some people's stuff be hanging and all scratched up, stained up. Mine's still in pretty great condition, but still, it would just look better in black. You feel me? There's nothing else in the car is that color, you know? I mean, I guess I could dye it, but come on, Infiniti, y'all could have, you know, blacked me out, you know? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. There was just 5 more dislikes on the Infiniti M35H. Stay tuned for more banger content coming up. You feel me? I'm just waiting on these parts and, you feel me, all the stuff to come out. Definitely got it all up here. I'm just trying to put it all in here. Don't worry, guys, it's definitely coming soon. Stay tuned on the build. I got some pretty important things coming up for the M35H, like record setting. Stay tuned, guys. But until next time.